My name is Noah Stamy, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a case named Hamer versus Sidway, which happened in 1891 in New York. So the backstory is there was a man named William Story, and he was the uncle of a boy named William E. Story, and he made a deal with his nephew that if he stopped drinking liquor, smoking tobacco, um, swearing and gambling in card-like games, that he would pay him a sum of $5,000 as long as he quit that until he was the age of 21. So this was in 1869 that this deal was made, and so what happened was they got down to the end of it, and the nephew fully agreed to the terms beforehand and then also followed through with the actions, and the uncle refused to pay him. So the uncle claimed that he benefited from this, the nephew did, because he wasn't drinking alcohol, he wasn't smoking tobacco, and he was also saving his money, not spending it on things like gambling, which is all of those things are heavy forms of addiction. So he claimed that he benefited from it and also that there was no consideration. But once the case got to the courts, it was told that they wouldn't even consider whether he benefited or not, the nephew, because that's not a part of consideration, and it has nothing to do with whether or not the contract was formed correctly. So there was consideration, they came to find, because because both sides understood the terms of the contract and both intended to fully perform them, and the nephew did fully perform his, the uncle just didn't. So what happened was the court ruled in favor of the boy, because who's at that point a man, William E. Story, because the consideration was there in the contract, and that made it an actual contract, like it was a legal contract and it wasn't voidable. So therefore they followed through, and William Story was in debt $5,000 to his nephew William E. Story, and that's how this case goes. I'd like to thank you for your time.